Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. CET 2020 Mathematics topic Determinants Problems Part 1 prepared by N. Parmesh. First question: if A is a matrix of order 3 such that A into adjoint A is equal to 10I, then determinant adjoint A is equal to 4 options are given. Solution: we know that A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. A into adjoint A is equal to 10I. Comparing determinant A is equal to 10. We know that determinant adjoint A is equal to adjoint A whole to the power n minus 1. Determinant adjoint A is equal to determinant A whole to the power 3 minus 1. That is equal to determinant A square. That is equal to determinant A is 10 square. That is 100. That is there in option third one. Second question: consider the following statement. Subdivision A: if any two rows or columns of the determinants are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Subdivision B: if the corresponding rows and columns of a determinants are interchanged, then the value of the determinants does not change. Subdivision C: if any two rows or columns of a determinants are interchanged, then the value of the determinant changes in sign. Which of these are correct? 4 options are given. Solution: if any two rows or columns of a determinants are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. If the corresponding rows and columns of a determinant are interchanged, then the value of the determinants does not change. If any two rows or columns of a determinants are interchanged, then the value of the determinant changes in sign. Therefore, all the condition A, B and C are true. Therefore, all the above, fourth option is the right answer. Third question: the inverse of a matrix A is equal to first row 2 0 0, second row 0 3 0, third row 0 0 4 is. 4 options are given. Solution: we know that if matrix A is equal to first row A 0 0, second row 0 B 0, third row 0 0 C, then A inverse is equal to matrix first row 1 by A 0 0, second row 0 1 by Z 1 by B 0, third row 0 0 1 by C. In the given problem, instead of A they have given 2, instead of B given 3, instead of C given 4. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 0 0 first row, 0 1 by 3 0 second row, 0 0 1 by 4 third row. Therefore, option fourth one is the right answer when A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0, C is not equal to 0. Fourth one: if A, B and C are in arithmetic progression, then the value of determinant, first row determinant x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus A, second row x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus B, third row x plus 6, x plus 7, x plus C. 4 options are given. Solution: R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Determinant: first R1 minus R2, that is minus 2 A minus B, R2 minus R3 minus 2 B minus C, third row as it is x plus 6, x plus 7, x plus C. R1 is identical with R2 since A minus B is equal to B minus C. Therefore, A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, which implies B minus A is equal to C minus A. Therefore, the value of the determinant is 0. Or R1 plus R3 is equal to 2R2. Then the value of the determinant is 0. Therefore, option first one is the right answer. Fifth question: evaluate determinant first row cos 15 sin 15, second row sin 75 cos 75 degree. 4 options are given. Solution: cos 15 cos 75 minus sin 15 sin 75, that is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 15 plus 75 degree, that is equal to cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0, that is there in option second one. Sixth question: the system of linear equation x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 10 and x plus 2y plus az is equal to b has no solution when 4 options are given. Solution: no solution means singular matrix, determinant is equal to 0. Determinant first row xyz coefficient 1 1 1, second row xyz coefficient 1 2 3, third row xyz coefficient 1 2 a is equal to 0. Expanding along R1 2a minus 6 minus a minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0. 2a minus 1a is a, minus 6 minus into minus plus 3 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 is there in two options, option second one as well as option third one. When a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 10, then the third equation coincide with the second equation, and hence the number of solution would be infinite. But in the given question has no solution, therefore b is not equal to 0, therefore option second one is the right answer. Seventh question, if matrix A is equal to first row alpha 2, second row 2 alpha, and determinant A cube is equal to 27, then alpha is equal to 4 options are given. Solution, determinant A cube is nothing but determinant A whole cube. Determinant whole cube is equal to 27, which implies determinant A is equal to 3. Determinant A is nothing but alpha square minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore alpha square is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. Alpha square is 7. Alpha is equal to plus or minus root 7, that is there in option third one. Eighth question, if P is equal to determinant first row x1, second row 1x, and Q is equal to determinant first row x11, second row 1x1, third row 1x, then dq by dx is equal to 4 options are given. Solution, determinant P, the value of determinant P is x square minus 1. Q, differentiate with respect to x, dq by dx is equal to differentiate with respect to x first row 1 0 0, second row third row as it is, plus determinant first row as it is, differentiate second row with respect to x 0 1 0, third row as it is, plus determinant first row second row as it is, differentiate third row with respect to x 0 0 1, expanding x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1, that is equal to 3 of x square minus 1 is equal to 3. X square minus 1 is nothing but p, 3p, that is there in option fourth one. Ninth question, if determinant first row 2a x1 y1, second row 2b x2 y2, third row 2c x3 y3 is equal to abc by 2, which is not equal to 0, then the area of triangle whose vertices are ordered pair x1 by a comma y1 by a comma x2 by b comma y2 by b comma ordered pair x3 by c comma y3 by c is 4 options are given. Solution, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2, first row 1 x1 by a y1 by a, second row 1 x2 by b y2 by b, third row 1 x3 by c y3 by c is equal to, taking multiply and divide by abc, 1 by 2 abc, determinant first row a x1 y1, second row b x2 y2, third row c x3 y3, that is equal to multiply and divide first column by 2, 1 by 4 abc, determinant first column 2a 2b 2c, second column x1 x2 x3, third column y1 y2 y3 is equal to 1 by 4 abc as it is. This value is given in the question, that is abc by 2. abc get cancelled, 1 by 4 2 is 8, 1 by 8 is there in option fourth one. 10th question, if A is any square matrix of order 3 into 3, then determinant 3a is equal to, 4 options are given. Solution, determinant 3a is equal to 3 cube into determinant a, that is equal to 27 determinant a, that is there in option fourth one. 11th question, if x comma y comma z are not equal to 0, not equal to 1, then the value of determinant first row log x log y log z, second row log 2x log 2y log 2z, third row log 3x log 3y log 3z is equal to, 4 options are given. Solution, log pq is nothing but log p plus log q. Delta is equal to determinant first row as it is, log x log y log z, second row log 2 plus log x log 2 plus log y log 2 plus log z, third row log 3 plus log x log 3 plus log y log 3 plus log z. Applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Delta is equal to first row as it is. R2 minus R1 means log 2, log 2, log 2. R3 minus R1, log 3, log 3, log 3. Taking log 2 and log 3 as common in the second and third row. That is equal to log 2 into log 3. Determinant first row as it is log x, log y, log z. Second row 1, 1, 1. Third row 1, 1, 1. Two rows are identical. The value of the determinant is 0. That is there in option 4th one. 12th question. If a comma y comma z all are different and not equal to 0 and determinant 1 plus x 1 1 first row 1 1 plus y 1 second row 1 1 1 plus z third row is equal to 0, then the value of x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 plus z to the power minus 1 is equal to 4 options are given. Solution. Determinant 1 plus x 1 1 first row 1 1 plus y 1 second row 1 1 1 plus z is equal to 0. First column as it is, second column as it is, third column changes to third column minus second column. 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus of 1 minus y is minus y, 1 plus z minus 1 is z is equal to 0. Expanding along R1, 1 plus x of bracket z plus yz plus y minus 1 of y plus z is equal to 0. On simplifying, xyz is equal to minus xy minus yz minus zx through divided by xyz. 1 is equal to, taking minus as common, 1 by z plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. That is equal to x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 z to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That is there in option second one. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.